Hello, today I'm going to be making Starburst slime, and what you'll need is Starburst, like a lot of Starburst. It doesn't matter what color it is, I'm just choosing all the 4 colors in Starburst for my slime. So you'll just need to first take out all the wrappers of the Starburst. Oh my gosh, that's not so hard. And the orange would be like. I'm almost done. Yeah, this took a lot of time. I love this Starburst in my mouth. Oh boy. I dropped some. Well, now we're gonna heat up the Starburst. So now we kept it in the microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. And you can see already that it's starting to become really sticky. You can just see. And you should not touch it because it's really hot right now. And it's almost ready. Like you can see, it already looks like a lot like slime. So we're gonna see what happens to this after you put it in the microwave for maybe about another 15 seconds. Now I've got it out of the microwave for 15 seconds, and you can see like in the middle it's already really red, and for me on the edges it's like yellow or pink a bit or orange, but mostly red came in. And we're gonna let it cool because it's burning, and we're going to let it rest for 1 to 5 minutes, and by then it should be good to add into our powdered sugar. So now, we didn't let it cool down for 1 to 5 minutes yet, because if you let it cool down, it may turn out of its slimy shape. So what we'll do is take a little bit of our powdered sugar and add it into the cup where ours is. And so let me mix it. It's much harder for me to mix. You see that? Oh, so hard. So now I'm still mixing it, and I added more powdered sugar to make it. And you can see how it's now starting to look more like slimy. Let me smell it. And it smells really good. And it's still burning. Like I just touched the glass and it's like burning my fingers. So let it cool a bit, what I'm going to do is take a pan. It's much colder, and I'm gonna add my powdered sugar in it. Then I'm gonna transfer all the Starburst slime in from this into this. So let me now add it. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Now I added a lot, and you should spread it. And now what you're going to do, and if went out and you like touch it in this, you like pour it into it and like start playing with, like you slam your hands on it, it will literally puff up like powder. So now let me add this into it. It's real burning. Taking some time. It's about to come. It's about to come. It's coming. Why is so much snow coming out? It's all snowy. That's so much slime. Oh boy, my hands are tired. So now we got it out, and it still might be a bit hot. So it's a bit hot. And now you're gonna put this all around the powdered sugar, so it can like cool down and start to get like real slime. Well, it already is. And it is pretty hot, but you should do this whole experiment in front of a parent. So now it's cooled down, and we're gonna use it as dough. And by now it should be pretty stretchy. And we're gonna still add a lot of it into it, and it's starting to look a lot like slime. So now we got it. We added all of our powdered sugar, and you can see now it's all stretchy, like real slime. And so now it became slime. Oh my gosh, underneath slime would actually be, underneath this will be so stretchy. So big also. And we added the powdered sugar to stop it so it will become not so sticky. And it's really fun to play with, and it's also edible. See? And it's really yummy. So now we made edible slime, and it's really fun. And it smells so good. And I got 2 plates, one for me and one for my sister. And I'm gonna quickly go find my sister, because I'm gonna first see if she comes. Rihanna! Okay, she's not coming. I really need to go get her somehow.
There's some edible slime. Wow, there's an edible slime. I'm gonna go get it.
Oh, fine. Not late. Where is the slime? Did you see her? I think I know where she is. Like right back. Bye-bye. You stay right there. I'm gonna come. Okay, I got her. So now you stole the slime, right? So now I have got the slime. It's still pretty stretchy, and it's not that stretchy anymore, but it's still really stretchy. Now, stretchy. And now I'm gonna quickly get some. Okay, you play with this. I'll play with a bit bigger part. Stretchy, huh? Oh, right, your slime is really stretchy. Same for me. So I hope you guys like this experiment, and please try this at home too. Bye! And before we go, let's try it, okay, Rihanna? Want help? I'm gonna pull it out for you. You wait. Here, try some. Still very tasty. It tastes exactly like regular Starburst. And I hope you guys liked it. And once again, bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And give it a big thumbs up.